Alright, let's access our website's WordPress dashboard. You can do this by clicking on this link. This is where your admin panel is, or you can enter this in your browser. So let's say it's going to be my domain name, gokuplanet.com/vp-admin. So this is how you can access it. You can do this way or this way, it's basically the same. So before starting out, I wanted to give you a short introduction on WordPress. So everything you see right here is a part of WordPress. So WordPress is the main platform which we are using to run our WooCommerce store. So WooCommerce is a plugin. The main platform on which we are running our store is WordPress, and to be able to get these all features which online stores has, we must install WooCommerce. So the whole installation process, we did it when we were creating our application, so we didn't need to install WordPress and we didn't need to install WooCommerce as well. This part was taken care by Cloudways. So with just a few clicks, we managed to install WordPress and WooCommerce at once. So alright, so everything you see right here is a part of WordPress. All these sections are part of WordPress. Right here we have WooCommerce. So this is WooCommerce dashboard. Later on I will show you a little bit more about WooCommerce. So right now I will walk you through all these sections right here. So this is the home page of WordPress admin panel. So there's not too much in here. And right here you will see all available updates. So if you're going to see any available updates, always keep your themes and plugins up to date. Right here we have post section. So this section is meant for blog posts. So right here we can create new posts. As you can see right here, we can create new blog posts. It's very easy to do. But before creating your blog post, you should have your categories. So this is where you have to create your categories for your blog posts. So this section is basically for blog posts. This section is for media. As you can see, library and add new. So this one is meant for images, videos, and all other files. Right here you'll be able to find your all media files, and you will be able to add new ones, but I usually never use this option. So next section is pages. So this section is meant for creating your pages, and you can check all pages right here. So this section is for creating such pages as about, terms and conditions, shipping and delivery, and all other similar pages. Later on I will show you how to add new pages. This section is for comments. So right here you'll be able to see all comments left by your visitors. Sometimes you can receive spammy comments. You can delete these comments, mark them as spam, or you can approve or disapprove these comments. So this section is not very necessary. I just wanted to show you that such thing exists. So right here in this section you can manage all comments. So this one is a part of WooCommerce. So WooCommerce and products, these two sections are basically part of WooCommerce. Once I finish with WordPress, I will talk about WooCommerce. So right here we have appearance section. All these are options meant to customize your theme, add such things like new menus, add new themes and activate them, change background images, headers, and customize themes itself. This section is meant for plugins. So using this section we will be installing various plugins which are necessary for our WooCommerce store. So for example, just click add new. And right here we have a bunch of plugins. You can even use search. So there are thousands of plugins available, but we will be using only a few plugins. Later on, again, I will show you what plugins we need to use. So in this section, you can manage all users. You can add new users such as admins, editors. Let's click on all users. So right here, this is my account. I'm the only user right now on this website. And you can add new admins, authors, editors, administrators, but this is not necessary. Again, I'm just showing you that such thing exists. And you can edit your profile. Again, this is not necessary. So this is where you can change users information, add new users, and so on. Right here we have some tools. So basically this is not important at all. We will not be using any of these tools whatsoever, so you can totally skip this part. This is not important. Right here in settings, we are going to change some settings. Later on I will show you what settings are necessary to be changed, and this is where all settings are being changed of WordPress. Don't mistake it with WooCommerce. All settings right here are for changing something on WordPress, not on WooCommerce. So these are WordPress settings.